Coinbase login, how to log in or access Coinbase Wallet app. Now, in order to log in or access the Coinbase Wallet app, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch Coinbase app. Now, if you don't have an account, you can tap on create free account option right here. But if you already do, then instead just tap on the sign in option from the top right hand side of the screen. And once you tap on the sign in option from the top right, this is the kind of information that you will be able to see, where all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the email address that is associated with your Coinbase account and just tap on continue. It'll ask you to enter your password, so enter your password and just tap on continue again. Now, just in case you don't happen to remember your password, you can also tap on this forgot password option right here, and after that you should be able to go ahead and reset it. Otherwise, you can just tap on the continue option to log into your account. Either way, this is the way that you should be able to log in or access Coinbase Wallet app. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.